thankful guys kasi nakapunta talaga kami dito. And we pray for everybody guys. Not for our family, for everyone guys. Especially my brother. My sister, nieces, and nephews, for everyone. So ito guys, it's so beautiful. So pwede na pumunta dito, mag-wish. Ayan guys. Sakit tayo dyan guys. Actually nakapagdasal na ako dyan kanina. Kaya ayan guys, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. For everyone guys, kasali ko kayo lahat. Not my family only, for everyone. Friends, relatives, supporters, viewers. So, yan guys. Thank you for watching. And thanks. Salamat dahil nakapunta talaga ako dito. Nakapunta kami guys. Nakapag-wish ako para sa ating lahat.